So let's get into our awesome things of the week. And Katie, let's start with you. You got some hardware.
Yes, I did, and it looks like a lightsaber, but
Whoa,
it's not.
whoa! Yeah, you showed me that one.
Duh.
So
So
what?
this is my
Mhm.
what, my new portable tripod. So I end up on a lot of shoots where it's mostly camera, phone on my camera, and our buddies these little microphones here, and I have a full size tripod. It's massive. It's something that we use on my big lens when we're out in the field. It's heavy duty, and that is not the thing I like to take to small interviews because, well, it's overkill, and plus sometimes it's dirty, and you just look like you're confused with a giant tripod and tiny phone, depending on where you're at. So this guy, I just purchased this one. It's a little press on the bottom, and then it extends and extends. Ta-da! Well, here I won't extend it the whole way, but here's a little guy pops out the top. There's a little top. So this is what the top